Thank you for watching Rage Gaming YouTube channel. Welcome into the channel. In this video, I will give my best explanations for the camera tools for the mod community online tools. First things first, you will need to have this mod already installed on your server and permissions given before being able to use these camera tools. Check out my other video explaining the top two tools, group management and territory management. Okay. So while in game, activate your community online tools by pressing the N button on your keyboard. Then to open the tools, press Y on your keyboard. Click on Camera Tools. The first little window is the Effects window. If you go into Free Cam by pressing Insert on your keyboard, these settings will affect the Free Cam. This blur is like the density of the blur, or how strong the blur for these other effects are, pretty much. Going down one is the Focus. Focus is similar to having farsightedness, meaning the higher you raise this bar, the more things close to you become blurry. This top blur bar makes it blurrier when the focus is at max. Going down one more is the focal L, and this one is kind of like the opposite. The difference is this one affects items at a further distance. If the blur at the top is maxed, then more area will be blurred out when you raise this bar. Like so. The focal N is for items real close to you. Things like what you are standing on or extremely close to. Exposure is to change the lighting effects slightly. Going down again to this chrome ABL. This one I'm not too sure about. From what I think is it slightly separates the linings of the image to give a look of being older or starting to fall apart. I might be wrong about this though, and if I am, I apologize. The help for this mod is pretty limited, and that's why I'm making these videos. Anyway, going down to the bottom one is Vignette. This will put that black fuzz around your screen as if you're starting to lose consciousness or coming into consciousness. Going back up to the top up here at the speed is the speed the camera moves through the air while in free cam. This FOV is field of view. Going down again from the FOV is Enable Full Map Free Cam Update with a checkbox. I'm not going to push it because I'm not sure how to turn it off because unchecking the checkbox doesn't work. I usually have to relog after checking the box. But what it does is enable you to be able to move around with your character while you are in free cam. Like when you push W to move forward with your camera while in free cam, it also moves your character in game as well. It's quite difficult to move any amount of distance because when you go back to character from being in free cam, your character will be in a different place. The next one is the checkbox that says hides the scope in first person while spectating other players. If you click this, then click on a player, it will not show the scope if they are in first person while they aim. The last checkbox here, called hide the grass while in free cam, does exactly what it says it does. It hides the grass. It's a cool feature. These settings are for when you are in free cam and flying around. If you go back to the top and click one of these side arrows, it will take you to the traveling page. This page is for when you're wanting to make clips or something. It'll explain. This time is how fast your camera will move while flying through after clicking the travel through positions. So to do this, go to starting position while in free cam. I will just use where I am as the starting position. When you're there, click the set. This will put the chords in for that spot you stopped at. Now fly to other spots and click the set each time you want the camera to start to move in a different direction. This is like a free-flowing camera for you to look around while it brings you to these points that you are setting. Once you have all the positions set, you can click the travel through positions and it will bring your free cam camera to each point. While it's flying through, you will be able to look around, but you will be stuck on that line going to each point. You can use this like a cinematic type thing for videos or clips. These camera tools will all need some practice before you perfect the movement and the effects. Mess around with it and have fun. On my server, I don't allow regular admins to use this though, only because of the complexity of it. You do what you feel is right. Please let me know what the Chrome ABL means if you know. If you don't know, then you and I are like most. Anyway, that is all I got about how to use the camera tools from community online tools. I have 8 more videos about the rest of the tools. This is video 2 of 10 on COT how-tos. Thank you for watching Rage Gaming YouTube. Like and subscribe. I realized after making this video that this enable full map free cam update might not actually mean what I thought it means. Some say that you can use the whole map while in free cam, and the map won't require you to move your character to have things render in. If this is the case, or we are both wrong, again, I apologize. Thank you for watching Rage Gaming YouTube. Like and subscribe.